Hey guys, we got this 350Z here. It's a manual car, and there's supposed to be a theft light right here, and it doesn't turn on. The key is on right now. The car, I think it cranks. Yeah, so it cranks. But when I scan it, we can only talk to these modules. We can't talk to the NATs, which I think we should be able to talk to the NATs. I could be wrong. If I do a report, we just get body voltage pass, and a CAN fault. So let me quickly erase these. And I don't see a NATs fault, but we don't have, our anti-theft ain't working. I think they said the key fob does work. You can hear it in the door because it pops the doors. Because somebody shaved the doors on this. Let's see. So I tried to start. Let's see if we can get any fault codes now. This is gonna take a while to scan again. So I'm gonna look at a diagram. We're gonna check some fuses. Actually, I brought the diagram while I was scanning. So right here's our forced entry thing. I'm gonna check all these fuses, see if there's any that don't have any power. Make sure they have power, because it should have it at all times right here with the key on. And I'm gonna go through that because this is our anti-theft. I think everything goes to our body control module right here. So we'll check this. And like I said, the door handles and everything are shaved on here. So we have no door handles on the outside. Guys, I checked all the fuses. I found this big melted thing. And this goes down inside the car right here. I don't know what this goes to, but it comes down in. This is all melted, so I'm gonna go in there and look to see what this goes to. This comes up to this HKS electronics controller. So I don't know if there's something inside the car that this is powering. So the wire comes all the way through the car, so I'm wondering if it's in the trunk. Is there a trunk popper back here? Does it work? See if I can pop this trunk. I wonder if the top pinched something. There we go, trunk popped. Definitely comes back here somewhere. Okay guys, so that melted module comes back here to, or the melted wire comes back here to this like fuel pump relay set, because there's our wire that's melted. I'm going to try to put another fuse in here because there's no power. I pierced the wire like right here, there's no power. So we'll see if we can get this fuse out or something, and we'll see if we can get this car to start. There we go. So now we got this thing here, and we have power on both sides. This all needs to be replaced, so I'm not worried about putting a hole in it. And it actually lights my test light. There we go. So now let's see if our fuel pump primes. I wonder if this even had anti-theft. This may not have had anti-theft or something. Yeah, anti-theft must be disabled. So yeah, that's what it was. Fuel pump wire's all melted. So guys, I think I popped my fuse. Must be a lot of current. This thing is really hot, but it could also be making a poor connection. Let me see what I got in my truck for this. Okay guys, I got my lab scope on here. I wanted to make sure that this wasn't getting hot. So we're pulling like 16 amps because 100 millivolts is 1 amp. So that means 1 volt is 1 amp. So it's 16 amps. We're pulling right now through there. So I think we're good. So I'll let this run here for a little bit, make sure everything's good, make sure nothing's heating up, and then we'll seal it up. So it looks like the fuse is around 123 or so. I'm okay with that. And our wire's like 105. Our other joint's probably getting hot right there. So yeah, I'd say we're okay. We're not going to get too hot here where it's going to overheat. And I'll get this all cleaned up. Should be good to go. The car's been running for like 10 minutes. There's our fuse. 108. All the wire looks good. Nothing looks like too hot. So I'm happy with that, guys. I'll put this all back together. Okay guys, real quick, we'll just go in the ECM. Doors close automatically. Just check our codes real quick. I just cleared them. Let's see. This is taking forever. Why is this taking so long? Trouble codes. Evap pressure sensor. There we go, start it up again. There we go. Didn't want to start, I didn't like that. But they have this. Yeah, so they're gonna have to check out this code. Hope you guys like this one. It's a quick one. It's weird because I thought this would add anti-theft. Oh, it doesn't know the window position. Hopefully I can get this window to go up. Oh, this sucks. Okay. Well guys, hope you guys like it. See you later.